Verifying your Expedia account is an important step to ensure the security of your personal information and to access all features of the platform. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Expedia website or open the mobile app and log in using your registered email address and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Find verification options. Look for a section labeled Account Verification or Security Settings. This section will provide options for verifying your account. Step 4. Choose verification method. Select your preferred method of verification. This may include options such as email verification, phone number verification, or two-factor authentication. Step 5. Complete the verification process. Follow the prompts for your chosen verification method. For email, check your inbox for a verification link. For phone, enter the code sent to your mobile device. Ensure you complete this step to finalize your account verification. After completing these steps, your Expedia account will be verified, allowing you to enjoy a secure and seamless booking experience. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Expedia customer support for assistance.